That's a while ago.
Okay, has water.
Looks good?
Yep. Welcome to another part of us renovating an abandoned Soviet Union apartment. And in this video, as you can see, I am in the bathroom. I cannot leave the door or it's gonna hit David because it has the auto close. So in this bathroom, we are not gonna do too much work. We're just gonna do the basics, such as ripping the wallpaper and painting up the walls. We will leave all of these ones green and just do really rough, just so David's brother can move in as quick as possible, so he can take over some of the other small jobs as painting this one. That's something you can do after you move in. So what we want to do is just do the water and pretty much the really basic renovation flip over. So I guess let's get started with a typical thing that we do in this apartment, which is removing the wallpaper and then do some small fix-ups of holes. Remove all of those things and just the corner cabinet as well. I don't think we really want this one. This one can stay. So yeah, let's get started with a few things, the beauty ones, and then we're gonna get to the more technical things such as the pump thingy for the water, the counter, and see if the boiler is working and replacing the tap. So that is kind of the plan for this video. So let's get started because it's a lot of work and we need to get on it. Ooh, it's a bit of a gloss. Can you see it? Let me see. Don't break it.
I broke it. No more toilet paper.
Where is that, the toilet paper holder?
Yeah, no more toilet paper holder.
We can reuse it.
Yep, that's what my plan is.
Don't drop it on your head, please.
It's real wood actually. This is real wood, this is stuffed wood. With the discussion of my brother, we decided to take this off and just repurpose it somewhere else because he does not need so much storage in the bathroom. This will be more than enough for his toilet paper rolls. And this one here we're gonna repurpose in the kitchen, repaint it and purpose it in the kitchen. Probably just gonna paint it white or maybe gray or some other color. Problem is that it's attached with nails, which is so fun to take off. Just don't want to take the whole building with me. Okay, I have reached a problem.
You want me to hold it?
No, it's holding itself somehow. Okay, first of all, don't want to break these gorgeous tiles. Something smells like shit. The tiles? Ah, why would you do this to me? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, it's coming too easily off. Oh. Sorry. Crowbar.
So actually good that we removed this cupboard over here because as you can see the wallpaper goes all the way up, so we can remove it all and have a clear wall to paint. And I think that also opens up a bit of space in the bathroom.
More
feels a bit more spacious for such a small bathroom, and I think for bathroom utensils this is going to be more than enough. So I think it's going to be better somewhere else like in the kitchen. So yeah, let's remove this one, the sparkly beautiful wallpaper. See that it has sparkles? I think so, right? I mean, why would you hide this beautiful wallpaper behind the cupboard?
Like a chef cooking. I'm sure it doesn't burn on the chicken.
But you took it off in such a nice pieces so we can reuse it. Now you're throwing it out?
No, I'm taking it home so we can use it at our house. We can assemble it back as it is, kind of.
It's like a Lego set?
It's a puzzle.
Puzzle, I guess, yeah. Make sure...
We're gonna make it like one D with all the other wallpaper we took off.
How is it attached?
I'm scared it's with those nails that I see there, you see?
You think it's on the tiles?
Damn, that would be bad.
That would be bad because we don't feel like retiling.
No, because I don't want to break the tiles either. This is metal.
It's really tightly. Is
This
that
is
what?
metal. Yeah.
It's really tightly on. That's not that good.
I think it is these small willies below. They attach, they attach those first. They attach the woods first, and then they attach build the whole thing around the wood. So we're gonna try to make off these plates. These are metal plates, or just really skinny wood, and we'll see if it looks better with just these shelves, because they are bolted down to the tiles with nails. And I'm scared if we try to force them off, we're gonna break most of the tiles, and we definitely don't want to retile anything.
Or by the same time, like we can't find the same.
We can't find the same tiles. Those are like tiles from 70s, 60s. I don't even know when. They're
Probably original.
Original tile. Ah, that is wood. Yes.
Why did it sound like metal? Ah, no.
I don't know. It did kind of give me a metal.
No.
How could those tiny nails hold it so well?
Uh-oh. That's pretty strong.
Yeah, what is these nails made out of?
Which things nowadays would be so strong?
Look at this. It's just like MDMF. It's so strong. Look at the nice wood that they painted.
Uh-oh.
Well, at least it came off. That's an achievement. Yeah, they're not attached to the actual frame. You got the one? There we go.
did you just find?
I don't know.
What?
Whoa.
Ew.
That's kind of funny looking. Is that for peeing in?
Mm-hmm.
That smells like pee. That smells like piss.
Why are you touching things? Like, Ian literally said it's kind of cool.
Kind of cool. Yeah, it did look kind of cool.
What are you playing around?
Checking for goodies.
What goodies? What are you touching?
Hinges.
You know that person passed away in here and you're just playing with things.
Let's see what year this battery is.
It looks like a mouse nest.
This battery is 25 years old. That's a while ago. What else do we have in the bin? Why is this painted green? For fun? I guess it was open air.
Why did they go with green everywhere?
They just bought a full bucket of the green paint and just let's put it everywhere. No, there's a
goes into
hole
what?
there.
Oh, is there a hole? Did they make a hole in the tile to
Yes.
keep it closed?
But the funny thing is it doesn't open.
Maybe it did once.
I guess it was doing this and they just got annoyed.
So they had to drill a hole in the tile.
Yes. And this door I like as well. I don't know if this was for the storage of pee-pee. Oh, the siphon is fully metal.
Okay, has water.
Excuse me? Why is water coming out this way? Do we have water? That's like pressure. I'm just making a real big mess now. What the? Of that? Yeah.
On tylko 6 na więc there is
What?
no as well. No, that's all. It wasn't there. There's nothing.
God damn it, because it already flooded quite a bit. It's gonna ruin our parquet. This whole thing broke. Oops. Oh my god, look at the caulk. Wait.
So, as you can see, we have removed everything that we could remove and wanted to remove. David was also about to put the new faucet on, but I said leave it because we still have to paint and do a lot of work. So we'll be doing like all the putting on things whenever everything is done. And randomly, as you saw, David was trying to get the faucet out. I think it's called the faucet, right? And apparently there's not supposed to be water, but it was shooting out water like crazy, and it has two valves for closing, one over the clock and one behind the toilet. So David's brother closed this one and then it kind of stopped, and then David turned the other one and shoot out a lot of water. So that is a bit of a mystery, but yeah. Next step I think is plaster the holes now that we have, I think, everything removed. One more thing that David wants to do is take the water pipes and run them below the bathtub, because they could just come out there. So I don't know why they didn't do that, why they did this whole mess on top. We could pretty easily run it below the bathtub so they can also not be visible, and then clean and paint. So I guess that's a pretty good progress, and it's gonna look a lot better. Not the biggest fan of the brown tiles, but it is what it is. You can always repaint tiles as well, worst case, if you really want. So it's gonna do for now. But it kind of feels like a tree because it has brown tiles with green grass. It's kind of like mud, like a Minecraft mud house. That's how it looks. Okay, let's get on and plaster the holes.
Nice. This was like, this whole thing was a waste of time. So just running the pipes below. Looks already better, no? Even with the brown tiles. This comes like below. Looks good?
Yep.
There's so many holes. What have they nailed everywhere? What did they do here? Did they try to drill for gold? Didn't find it?
As you saw, last thing we did is plaster all the little holes. Ideally, you would like maybe to go over it again because some of them are sucked in, but I think we're gonna leave that. We don't have the time to keep on plastering multiple times. I feel like I've been saying that so many times that we're so tight on time. But yeah, that is the truth. So we already did quite a bit more. It ended up being a lot more work than we expected. So we are gonna be ending the video here, and in the next video is gonna be painting and hopefully a full reveal of this bathroom. Part 1 is done. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know what you think, and we're gonna see you in the next one when we paint it and make it all hopefully beautiful.